This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Front wiper blades. Pull the arm away from the screen until it locks. Rotate the blade 90 degrees, then press it from the hook in the arm. Slide the blade over the arm, then pull it firmly into the hook. Gently lower the arm to the screen. Rear wiper blade. Pull the arm away from the screen, then rotate the blade and pull it from the arm. Locate the blade's pivot pin into the notch in the arm and press it firmly into place. Rotate the blade and lower the arm to the screen.